Hello friends, wishing you a very happy new year 2020. Today we are going to look on stock transport order process with configuration. This will be part 1. So today we will be looking on the configuration part. So before doing stock transport order, we will look on the configuration part first. So in configuration part there are a lot of configuration we will have to do. So in part 1 we will be configuring the stock transport order. Okay. So in the definition section, 4 steps, 4 configuration we will have to do. Again in the assignment part we will have to do again for 5 steps. Okay. So let us go for the definition part, that is SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution, define, copy, delete, check, sales organization. So let us go to the stock transport order creation, sales order creation. So we will be putting SPRO. IMG enterprise structure, then definition and sales and distribution. Then we will have to create the sales organization. We will have to copy it, copy, delete, check, sales organization, copy from the existing sales organization in the system. So here we will be putting some standard sales organization. Suppose we are taking 10 and we will be creating sales organization, suppose 99. Okay, continue. Again continue. So sales organization 10 copied to 99. Here we check the completed activities. Sales organization 10 copied to 99. So again come back and then we will change the name, define sales organization. Next part we will be going. Here we will be finding the 99 which we have created. So here we will be changing the name, sales organization org for 99 suppose. Then again we will save it, let it be capital O, then save it. Fine. So sales organization has been created. Next we will be creating the channel distribution channel. So again the path is same as SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, sales distribution, and then define, copy, delete, check, distribution channel. Execute it. Again same process, copy it from the existing one. So here we will be taking the distribution channel from the existing one, say 30, and for distribution channel we copy to 09. Then continue. and then distribution channel has been created 09. Okay, come back. Then we will go to define distribution channel. Here we find that 09 is the distribution channel name, so we will name it as STO distribution channel. STO distribution channel. Then save it, continue. So we have created the distribution channel 09. Next we will have to create the shipping point. So for shipping point, SPRO, IMG, ES, enterprise structure, definition, logistics execution, define, copy, delete, check shipping point. Okay, so we'll have to come out from here. Then let's go to logistics execution. Here we find the shipping point, define, copy, delete, check shipping point. Right, again we will be copying, again copy, so from shipping point we will be creating from the existing one, suppose say 1110, and shipping point say 0009, correct. Then continue. So the shipping point 0009 has been created. We come back and then rename the shipping point. Here we get, so we'll have to change it, shipping point say for plant 9999. Right, now save it. So the shipping point 0009 has been created for the plant 9999999. Okay, save it, come back. Then again we will have to create the division. So again in the logistics general we will have to go, so come out from here, logistics general. Here we find define, copy, delete, check division. Again copy. So from division we will have to check, say cross division we are copying to our division, say ST we are putting it, continue. Continue. So division 00 copied to ST. Now let us change it, completed activity is correct. Then we will have to define the division name. This is our division, so we can put the division name for plant 9999999, correct. Now again save it, come back. So accordingly we have created like sales organization 99, then distribution channel as 09, shipping point as 0009, and the division as ST. Now we will be going for the assignment part. So closing the definition, we go to assignment. In assignment, first SPRO IMG we will be creating, we will be assigning sales organization to the company code. Okay, so assign then sales distribution. Here we find assign sales organization to company code. Continue, execute it. Here we find the sales organization. It is being assigned to the other. So here we will find this company code. Let us find it. Company code as 9999. Okay, and then save it. Correct. Next is the assignment distribution channels to sales organization. It is again below that, assign distribution channel to sales organization. Here this is the sales organization and it is being assigned to line item, distribution channel 30. So first of all, we don't want, you delete it, save it, and then create new entry. Put your sales organization, that is 99, and the distribution channel is, that is 09. Right, press enter. Same key is already existing. Okay, save it. So it has been assigned. Next is the assign division to sales organization. We again find the same location, assign division to sales organization, execute it. We find that sales organization is assigned to OT. We will remove it first, save it, and then we will put new entries, sales organization 99, and our division is ST. So we put ST, enter, one entry chosen. Now we save it. Fine. So our division has been also assigned to the sales organization. Next is the assign sales organization distribution channel plant. So for this IMG enterprise structure, assignment sales or distribution, assign sales organization distribution channel to plant. Correct. So here only we will finding assign sales organization distribution channel plant. Execute it. Here we will be finding our sales organization is 99. We first find it. So these are the sales organization being already attached, but we find that the plant code is different. So we will first select and delete all. We copy from this, put it as 99. It is okay, but the plant is different. We will be putting the plant as 9999 9999. This is the plant. Enter. One more plant is there, 99, distribution channel 9, and the plant is 9998. Press enter and then save it. Continue. So there is two plant. You just remove this and save it. So we have two plants, that is 9998 and 9999, correct. So it has been assigned, fine. Next we will have to assign shipping point to the plant, that is it is in the logistics execution. So just come out, you go to logistics execution. Here we find assign shipping point to the plant, execute it, and now we find the plant. Come down, this is the plant, okay, and the shipping point is 0009, which is already connected and correct. We find that both the plant and the shipping point has been linked, okay. So save it and come out, no need to change. Next point, so we have assigned all the above definition. Now for the next part we will have to look for the part 2. So I hope till this you get it done in your practice at your home. If you have any problem, kindly call me or comment me for any help you require. So in part 2, don't forget to look my second video, that is part 2 video, and hereby I am stopping here. Have a good day and best of luck, and wishing you again a very happy new year 2020. Thank you.